The British Market, or Slave Market as many call it, is located northeast of Chapelton, in the Tynders Valley area of Clarendon, or Top Clarendon, as the locals refer to it. Established by enslaved people, it is considered Jamaica's oldest and the only surviving market founded by slaves during the period of slavery. The path to the market was carved out by slaves on the face of the mountain. After slavery, the ex-slaves continued to sell their livestock in the market. Fast forward to the 90s, people from far and wide traveled to the slave market to buy goats, specifically ram goats, to cook curry goat for Christmas. These goats were purebred Jamaican local goats. Cows and donkeys were also sold at the market. Today, the market has a more subdued atmosphere. Only a handful of cows and goats, along with a few stray dogs, roam among the remnants of its former glory. Though its glory days have faded, the market stands as a significant piece of history and a testament to the resilience and spirit of the slaves of Clarendon.